We are installing some 24-inch steel medium pressure gas main as part of BGE's Operation Pipeline program, where we're replacing very old infrastructure we have, including on Fulton Avenue. We have some cast iron gas main that was put in 1900. We're replacing that with some wrapped steel medium pressure main. A lot of the infrastructure we're replacing in this area is from the early 1900s. We do have some gas main that we're replacing on other projects within Baltimore City that date back to the late 1800s. And cast iron piping is the majority of that main that was installed back then. It's not that the piping itself is bad, but where the joints come together on those 12-foot links have leaks on those joints. So certainly upgrading the system with newer pipe, we'll have hopefully zero leaks in the future, but certainly the steel piping and the corrosion protection that we put on there will ensure that. What we have in the ground, we installed a 24-inch steel main on South Fulton, and that's what we're tying the new main into. This is what we call our connection piece. What you see in the middle there, the big gray piece, that's an insulator. That insulates one end of the piping system from the other. We do that for corrosion purposes, so we don't have too much electrolysis running along both mains. Once we drop that in between the two existing mains in the ground, we'll put that together with two compression couplings on either end, and then what we call weld over sleeves. Just for extra protection and safety, we will weld those over top of the couplings. You'll see that right now it's bare steel. Once we put it in the ground, we'll wrap it and protect it to keep any corrosion from happening to it. This 24-inch main that we're installing on Fulton Avenue, this is the trunk line for the medium pressure system that will feed the majority of West Baltimore. In the long run, we hope that the customers will see much better service. The system is very old, it's a very old city. We are the oldest gas company in the country, so that system needs to be replaced. And we're getting to the point where hopefully we'll never have to be back here again.